Hello everyone, my name is Ghoulem Chetari. I am one of the Gastronomie France's candidate. Today I'm super happy that I got accepted to work in a hotel in France. It's going to be a 12 months of work from September 2023, and I'm going to work as a waiter in the restaurant of the hotel. So yeah, I would like to thank all the Gastronomie France crew for all the work that they do for us, and especially a special thanks to Mr. Quentin because he do a lot of job to find the right establishment for his candidate. So yeah, thank you so much. And again, I can't wait to start this new challenge. Super happy about this one. Thank you so much.